Yeah, well, welcome to another set of questions. Question two, find the coordinates of the point of intersection between the curve y squared equal to 2x squared minus 17 and the line y equal to x minus 4. Okay, and look at the y we have here. Look at the equation we have. Y squared equal to what? Equal to this. Okay, intersect with what? With the line. And this is a straight line, x minus 4. Okay, this is not a straight line. Okay, so seeing there is a point of intersection, so what we are going to do is that we are going to substitute one into the another one. This is y squared. This is y. So what we are going to do now, we are going to call this one, this y squared equal to 2x squared minus 17. We call it equation 1. Okay, then the other one, y equal to x minus 4, we call it equation 2. Okay, so if they intersect, that means they meet at one point, then I think being square is not here. Either is not, if it's just y here, and this one is y also. In that case, now we equate the two equations together. So in this case now, what we are going to do in this question is just to plug in equation 2 into 1. Okay, and that will be equal to substitute equation 2 into 1. Substitute equation 2 into 1. And that will give us we now have x minus 4 square. Anyway, you see your y is x minus 4. So anyway you see y, you just please plug in x minus 4 there. Then equal to what? 2x squared minus 17. So let's do the expansion. So this will be equal to what? X squared. This one times this one, that's a 4x, and then times 2 minus 8x. Okay, then plus minus 4, 4 squared, that's 16, equal to what? 2x squared minus 17. Okay, so then we need to arrange together. Let's move everything to the right hand side. So that will be 2x squared. Move this one to the other side. So minus x squared. Okay, then plus 8x. Plus 8x. Yeah, then minus 17. This 16 to the other side. Minus 16 equal to 0. So I'm having now x squared plus 8x minus what? Minus 17 minus 16 minus 33 equal to what? Equal to 0. So we can use a calculator to get this equal to 3 or minus 11. X equal to 3 or minus 11. So in that case now, we need to get the corresponding value for y. So what we do now, we can start writing the x, y coordinates. When x is 3, come back here. So that will be what? 3 minus what? Minus 4. So y is what? Minus 1. Okay. So when x is minus 11, come back here. Come back here. Minus 11 minus 4. That's minus 15. So that's that on that question. So that's that on that.